back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Lauren Hernandez. And sorry I sound a bit weird today. It's because I'm kind of sick and I really like this bow. Okay, so today we're going to be doing something really different. Instead of opening or showing you guys toys, making slime, guess what we're going to be doing? I guess you could tell from the title down below that we're going to be doing a smoothie. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the most delicious smoothie I've ever tasted. So, of course, I'm going to be showing you the ingredients. Like, hello. You're gonna need to know what's in the smoothie if you want to make it. So first, I already poured in some ice. So you're gonna need some ice. Only a little bit is fine. If you want, you don't even have to put in ice. That's just an ingredient that I want to add. Some bananas, raspberries, blueberries, some yogurt. You could find this in any Winn-Dixie. I think any Winn-Dixie. I found this on my Winn-Dixie. You could use whichever yogurt, but I feel like this one is much better. It has more flavor. It tastes amazing. Some strawberries and some milk. And make sure it's not expired. This expires on the 10th, and I uploaded this on September 7th, 2008. 2018. I was thinking of when I was born. I was born March 24th, 2008. All right, I still have my uniform on from Bob Graham. If you don't know, because probably you should know that I went to Dade Christian because you saw my uniform. This says Bob Graham, so I changed schools this year. Anyway, let's get on with the video. You're going to need adult supervision because you're going to be needing to put inside a blade. I have to put inside a blade. I'm 10 years old. I'm old enough to do that. All right, so you're gonna have to cut some stuff. All right. Oh, and also you're gonna need some paper to put the strawberries on and then cut it. So I'm just gonna grab a piece of paper here, stack my strawberries up and my blueberries. Oh, and also you're going to be needing a cup because where are you going to drink it? Just out of the thing? You could, but what if the blade just gets on your face? You need to take off the blade first. Alright, so I have my napkin down here. That's a way better view. Let me just put it down there. That is even better. Okay, so we have our napkin right here, but first things first, safety first. Sorry. You're going to be needing washing your fruit. You're going to need to wash the blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, not the banana. Alright, so I'm just going to wash all of the fruit so then I don't have to do it okay, now let me wash this. Now let me wash this. Okay. Hold on, guys. Oh, and also, I almost forgot something very important. The main ingredient, the second main ingredient to make this super good, avocado and some spinach. That makes it super healthy. Okay, hopefully we have some. Yes, we do, yay. Only a few leaves should be good. It actually tastes good, trust me, guys. If I hate spinach and I drink this, it's definitely super good. So trust me. If you don't like it, that's your taste. If I like it, that's my taste. We all have different taste buds, so I don't know if you guys would like it, but me, my brother, my mom, and I don't know if my dad likes it, but I don't think he's ever tried it. But me, my brother, and my mom love it. And also my grandma. Oh, today was Grandparents' Day at both schools. My brother's going to Dade Christian. I'm going to Bob Graham. All right, so we better hurry this up. If not, we're going to have to add more ice because it's melting. We'll wash the strawberries too. These strawberries don't really look good. Let me grab the other container. All right, these strawberries look amazing. Look at these beautiful strawberries. All right, and they're big. This is like the second time I had to do the video, but don't worry, I didn't do the smoothie without you guys. All I had to do, in the middle when I was showing the fruits and whatever we needed, it told me I had no storage. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put like some sandals on. All right, so now let's get to making the smoothie. All right, so what you're gonna need, how many scoops? Well, I'm gonna tell you right now. It sometimes has water in it. It's supposed to be like that. It doesn't mean that it's expired. This expires on October 8th, 2018, and we're September 7th, 2018. So it doesn't mean it's expired. You have to like throw it inside the sink, not like the whole thing, just the water, and then get a big old scoop. Like you need to put 1.5 scoops. I put it on top of the blade. Best spot, not. All right, actually, I think 3. I'm pretty sure 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Just gonna plop it in there. So then I'm just going to move this over to the side. I feel like I need more space. Hold on. Should I move everything over there? Nah, we're fine here. Add some milk. It is not expired. It smells good, and it expires September 10th, and it's September 8th. I'm just gonna taste it, just be sure. That is definitely fine. If it was expired, then it would like taste super bad, but it tastes fine. All right, so this is how much it's gonna need. Like just a little bit is fine. Like if it has like these things, it should be like up to right here. Like right there should be fine. Right here. So that's where you're gonna want to put it inside. Now time to get a big knife. Let me just move over these little fruits and vegetables. Move the spinach over. All right. Look how big this is. All right, so you're gonna be super careful not to cut yourself. I don't want anyone cutting themselves, and then you're gonna start bleeding. That's what happened to me when I was smaller, when I was trying to cut a mango, so don't do that. Trust me, it is not like a tiny little cut like your cat scratched you. It is a huge cut where you start bleeding. I was crying like so bad. Ah! Ew, this is not ripe. I guess we're just gonna be adding some spinach. That's fine, but this is so gross. There's black spots all over it. Blech. And I don't want, ew, look at that. No, guys. Check the avocado first. Don't just cut it and be like, okay, so then all you have to do is scoop it out, put it inside. You need to check it. So let's just add some spinach in. Gross, that was so gross. Okay, I don't know if we have to wash it. I don't know. Probably a couple leaves like this. Oh no, I dropped one. Spread them around. Oh my god, guys, this looks super cool. I'm gonna show you in just a bit. Let me just put this in here. Plop that right on. All right. Put that mini one there. No. Okay, I just wanted it to look perfect because I'm gonna show you guys. And if you're little, you need someone to help you with this. Guys, look how cool that looks. It looks like in a picture, like one of those Instagram pictures sometimes or like videos that they post. Oh, look at that. That looks amazing. That looks super cool. Anyway, let's put this back inside the fridge. I don't want anything to spoil, and then it's gonna taste all gross. But, all right, so And now let's put in some strawberries and then some bananas. Actually, let's do the raspberries first because then we don't have to cut them. Oh my god, I just dropped one. Ew, this raspberry, I'm gonna have to use like a little spoon because this raspberry has something black inside it. Guys, I have to use my own advice. Check everything before you put it inside a blender because it has something black inside. So I'm gonna go throw this away. You don't want to get a stomachache. Trust me, I am here early instead of at 3 o'clock because I ate something for lunch. I don't know, probably the cheese on the pizza. I don't know. But I ate something. That's why I'm here early. I had to go home early because my stomach was hurting a lot. But now, it's only hurting a tiny bit. I'm only doing this video because I'm bored. All right, we might have to do a part 2. This one's fine. Mushy, ew, that's not fine. How about this one? This one's fine. Guys, it looks like one of those Instagram pictures. That one's fine. Oh, you're gonna be needing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna be needing 6 of them. Ew, gross. Ah, I dropped a perfect one. No. 6. Oh no, if I haven't dropped. Okay, this one's fine. So you're gonna be needing 6 of those. Yummy, delicious raspberries. I love raspberries. So let me just clean this up here. Oh, you're gonna be needing a paper to cut your strawberries. Oops. All right, time to cut the strawberries. I washed them, so don't worry. First, take off the leaves, so then you don't cut by accident too much. That's fine. And then cut it in 4. So first cut it in half like this. Let me show you. First cut it in half like this, then go like that. So now you have 4 slices. Since you have 4, you're only gonna be needing 3 strawberries. Because I think that's 12. I'm pretty sure that's 12. Yeah, that's 12. All right, take off the leaves. Get off. 1, and let me do it where you guys could see. 2. I dropped one, and at least it was inside the bowl. All right, so let's get this humongous one. Awesome. Cut off. Well, really, you don't have to get off the leaves. Actually, you do. I just cut a little bit too little. That's fine. Cut it in the middle and cut it right here. And yesterday I didn't go to school because my throat was hurting a little. All right, so this is where we're going to end the video. And see you guys in part 2. Bye. And stay cool. I know it's not summer, but just stay cool.